In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Wallpapers and Style right away. Then hit Icons on the right and scroll down a tiny bit to access Icon Slider. Now, thanks to it, you can adjust size of your icons and check out Preview at the top. After finding a perfect one, hit Apply at the bottom to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!